to share a great tool with you that I found that I think is useful in all sorts of business settings and personal as well. It's called Scribe. The website is scribehow.com. I'll put a link down here in the comments below, so check that out. But Scribe helps you document how to do something, a procedure. Any place that you are on a website or in any kind of a document, you can jot down the procedure just by having it record each step and create a system or a procedure that can be duplicated by other people. Or even if it's something that I do once a year, I'm starting to document how I do it so that next year when I have to do it, I don't have to feel my way through it again. I'll remember what I did. So let me give you a quick glimpse into how Scribe works. First off, an important piece, it is free, no charge. So this is no excuse. Everybody really needs to be getting on board with this and documenting your procedures. It's really simple. Once you've installed it, you'll just click on the little button in your Chrome extension and you can sign into Scribe and record a meeting, or record a process. So let's take a look at a simple one that they have here. On their website, they have examples of several different ways that these can be used. You can take a look. They also have some samples at the bottom here. So let me run you through one of these samples. First off, how to allow a guest to modify an event in a Google Calendar. So this one just goes through. You'll see after you've recorded it, it will show you the easy steps. So here's a step-by-step. First, start by creating an event. Name it and add the guests as you normally would. Under More Options, then you'll want to click the More Options button, and it's showing you highlights of where to click on each screenshot of the process all the way through, and it will walk you through. So this one was 5 steps. It's a couple seconds long. Obviously, you can see how you can use this in a more detailed way if it's a bigger website, and multiple steps. So for example, if you have a point of sale system that you utilize that you have to download reports or balance something to, you can record how to do that. Here's another one with job listings on LinkedIn, how to manage those, where they're going to walk you through step by step, where to go on the website, where to click on each part, manage job post, click on the job, you'll see the list of applicants, and there you go. So really give this a shot. It's super easy and simple, and you can start doing it in multiple ways. It is fabulous for sharing with others. You can even embed things on a website or create tutorials and training for new people and processes. Take a look. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite part? I'm Donna Bordeaux from campgroundaccounting.com. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you check out our blog and our website from the link below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post. To contact me, email me at donna@campgroundaccounting.com.